Hands-on learning is really important for kids, especially at the elementary age. I feel like that's how they learn best, is by trying and by doing things. Science is such an important subject to be teaching to the elementary kids. It's one of those subjects where the kids have an opportunity to try things, make mistakes, and learn from those mistakes.
Anyway, you can make it tall, you can make it wide.
At the elementary school level, it's important to have science education just to kind of get the kids interested and engaged in science. Recently, we've been having more hands-on science instruction for these students, real-world problems, just kind of connecting them and trying to connect to new learning standards. You see the light bulb go off, from anyone from a pre-K student up to a 6th grade student. When they walk into a science room, they just really look intrigued and ready to explore. So it's really important to keep their interest piqued.
Get so excited when they come to science class. I see them in the morning in the hallway and they'll say, "Hey, Mrs. Wers, today's day 6, we have science today." Next year for 3rd grade, we're going to be adding an additional unit, which is life cycles. So we'll have more opportunity to learn more about animals and their life cycles. We're also going to hopefully get more use out of the greenhouse in the next coming units that we're going to be doing. So getting the kids outside, getting the kids in there, planting, learning about plants and all that stuff. I'm really excited about that.